You're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can short sell on Binance Futures market. So with short selling is a complete opposite of Binance spot trading. So you understand that with spot trading, you want to buy high, you want to buy low, you want to buy low and sell high, right? But with short selling, you want to short, that means you want to sell high and buy back when it is low. So with that, gaining the difference in the price change. So this video, I'm going to show you how you can short sell on Binance futures market. So without getting further ado, just as a disclaimer that futures markets are leveraged tokens. So you want to be conscious of your money to make sure you don't lose your entire capital. So the first thing that we are going to do, you want to make sure you are on Binance Pro. So this is my Binance Pro interface, and the first thing that you need to do, you want to go to wallet section right here. So you're going to tap on wallets, and the second thing that you are going to do, you need to make sure you transfer some of your money from your main wallet to your futures wallet right there. So you're going to tap on futures and you're going to tap on transfer right here. So you tap on transfer, and right here you can see from spot to USDT futures. So if you tap on this toggle button, you can change the wallets from up down. So I'm going to toggle it again because I want from spot to futures. So, and you can see right now my USDT has 77.6. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on max. So I'm going to tap on max so that the amount auto fills in, and I'm going to confirm. So after you have transferred some of your money you're going to use to trade futures, you are now going to go back, right? So you're going to go back home, and what you are going to do, you are going to come to futures section right here. So you're going to come to futures section and you are going to tap on futures. So this is the window where you can pretty much trade the futures market. So all the markets that are in here, you can trade them as leveraged tokens. So for example, when you tap on the BTC USDT right here, you can have a list of all the markets, and I'm going to switch to all. So you can have the list of all the coins that you can trade on Binance Futures. So with all these coins, it means you can either short them or you can long them depending on your choice. So let's say you spot the market that is falling down. So you are spotting the market that is falling down, and you have an opportunity to sell high and then later buy back when it is low, right? So what you're going to do, you're going to switch from buy and you're going to switch to sell. So I'm going to go to sell, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to cross right here, and I'm going to switch that to isolated, right? So, and after doing that, you are going to come here where you see times 20. So you're going to tap there, and right here you can measure your leverage size. So that means if you put it at 25, that means if you, for example, I have 77.6. I have 77.6. So if I put at 25, I'll get that and multiply by 25. So the answer that I get right here, it means that is the amount I will have entered the market with. So the thing called leverage, it kind of multiplies your money. So what you're going to do, you need to make sure you're protecting your account as much as you can. So what you're going to do, you can shift this leverage size to the one to your preferred one. Maybe you can leave it at times 10. So that means I'm going to get 77 times 10. So I'm going to enter the market with 770 USDT. So that is the leverage I'm going to use. And after doing that, go ahead and confirm right here. So then you are going to go on and select right here the type of order you want to enter with. So you can enter with a limit order, you can enter with a market order, or a stop limit or stop market, depending on how you see the markets performing at that particular time. So another thing you're going to do, you then need to put in the amount that you want to buy with, right? So you can either input the amount in form of the coin you are going to buy, or you can either switch to USDT and input the amount right here. So for example, the fact that we selected the leverage of times 10, I can now put in here 770 USDT and make sure USDT right here is selected, or you can just use this to drag and drop based on the price that you want to use. So after doing that, then you are going to come to sell or short right here. So the moment you tap on this button, your order is going to be submitted at the exact market that you select at exact price that you selected right here. So same thing, different way. This is how you can short sell on Binance using futures market. The same thing, if you want to buy the futures markets or you want to buy leverage tokens, you're just going to switch from sell and go to buy. So when you tap on buy, then you can go ahead and again select isolated here and select times X, the leverage that you want to enter the market with. So that is after you have selected the coin that you want to trade, for example that one here. So then after, head over to the type of order right here and then select in USDT, or for you to enter the price that you're entering the market with, or just use the drag and drop to help you determine how much you are going to enter the price with. So then after, tap on buy or long for you to execute the market, and immediately you tap on buy or long, your order is going to be submitted, and immediately your price that you have set is triggered, your order is going to be active. So once the order is active, you can always check it right here on the open orders and the position right here. So with the position, when you go to position, you'll be able to see the percentage loss or percentage profit, and then you'll be seeing definitely the money in value that you are making at that particular time. So this is it, guys. I hope you get some insights on how you can short sell the Binance futures markets. So you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be happy to see you again in the next one. Bye bye and take care.